What if I told you Bitcoin isn't just surviving, it's thriving? Listen up, folks. The crypto world is buzzing, and we've got some heavy hitters dropping truth bombs. First off, Paolo Ardoino, the big boss over at Tether, he ain't pulling any punches. He just came out swinging, saying Bitcoin is going to withstand the test of time. Straight up, he believes any organization trying to mess with it, they're going to fail, turn to dust. That's some serious confidence right there. What he's really telling us is that Bitcoin, this digital money, it's got backbone. It's not some fly-by-night thing. It's built to last, to power through all the ups and downs. It shows just how strong and resilient this whole decentralized idea really is. But hey, while we're talking about what lasts, let's switch gears to something even more personal, your privacy. Vitalik Buterin, the genius behind Ethereum, just dropped a major warning after a big bank data leak. He said, plain and simple, privacy is not a feature. Now, what does that mean? It means you can't just assume your stuff is private. In this digital world, especially with big companies and banks, your personal info can get out there without you even knowing it. Vitalik's basically saying we got to be proactive, got to demand and use tools that actually protect our data. It's a wake-up call, especially for those of us in crypto, reminding us that even with all the tech, we got to stay sharp about keeping our info safe. Your digital life, your rules, right? But you got to fight for them. And speaking of big players, get this. BlackRock, one of the biggest investment firms out there, their clients are looking at Bitcoin in a whole new light. They're not just seeing it as some way to pay for coffee anymore. Nah, the smart money, these institutional investors, they're calling Bitcoin digital gold. What's that mean? It means they see it as a safe place to put their money, something that holds its value, kind of like traditional gold, especially when inflation starts creeping up and everything else gets shaky. It's a hedge, a way to protect their wealth over the long haul. This ain't about everyday transactions. It's about holding on to value in a world that's always changing. It's a huge shift in how the big boys are thinking about crypto. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.